Line construction 4. Let's now construct a tangent to a circle at a given point on its circumference. Suppose O is the center of the circle and P is a point on it. First, join O and P and extend the line. Next, with P as center and any convenient radius, draw an arc cutting OP at point B and C. Now, with B and C as centers and any convenient radius, draw arcs that intersect at point A. Finally, join A and P. Thus, line AP is the required tangent to the circle at point P. This is a straightforward method to construct a tangent at a given point on a circle. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more.